Plans to go public on the Canadian Securities Exchange, right? Everything's
That is
Canadian right now.
For pot.
Well, that is true, yes. And that is where we are most welcome today. We'd love to be public on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ, but in today's world, Canada is where we're headed.
Right. Now, the law is going to change there in October.
It is.
And then you'll be public. How do both of those things change Acreage?
When we go public, it gives us a lot of optionality. And our goal is to take the stock and really the tangible assets of that stock and use that to go out and aggregate more of this country's assets in cannabis.
You said in this round, you could have raised more.
We could
But you
have.
didn't. Why not?
We set out to raise $50 million, and when Speaker Boehner joined our board, we had so much enthusiasm for the round that, in fact, we raised $119 million. One of the reasons why we stopped there is it was, in fact, the largest round ever done in cannabis history in the United States. But we also wanted to save some for the IPO or the RTO. And we could have raised as much as $300 million in this round. And that's the type of enthusiasm we're now seeing for the space.
You know, it's interesting you say that because, you know, we all get stopped occasionally by people. People stop me now, they want to talk cannabis. And I wonder whether, given how much money is available, is there a chance there's going to be overcapacity in a sense?
This business is estimated to be $100 billion in size. And today, the
100 billion. What does that number mean?
That number means
in sales to
with sales in the United States for the illicit market as well as the regulated market is anticipated by 2025 to be $100 billion in size.
Okay.
And today, the regulated markets or the medical markets capture between $7 and $8 billion. There's so much room to grow in this space, and that's why people believe that now, time to get in, and it's time to get in early.
What have Speaker Boehner and Governor Weld been doing on your behalf? Have they made any headway when it comes to opening up regulation in this country?
Speaker Boehner and Governor Weld have been really a watershed moment for the cannabis industry. It's not only that they've added billions of dollars of value to our firm, but they've had a huge impact on the entire industry. So everyone in this industry is now doing a lot better now that Speaker Boehner and Governor Weld are part of it.
Are you talking about like administration policy from
I think it's all of the above. They really give us a very good roadmap as to how things work legislatively. And they also are compassionate men that have the courage to change their mind about cannabis. And that, I believe, really turned a lot of heads, and it's made others think about why this isn't the scary drug that's now Schedule I with no medicinal value.
So where are we, on the federal versus state at this point? I mean, Sessions still is pretty strongly saying this is Schedule I, and we're still going to prosecute. I've heard different things, though, within the administration, and obviously the states are still trying to figure it all out in terms of whether they're going to get federal pressure.
The majority of this country believes that medical cannabis should be legal as well as recreational, and we are just hopeful that Congress listens to their constituents and votes accordingly.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.